I'm Darren from MetalRoofingOnline. Today I'm going to be installing the Trimline Gutter to the Novaline metal fascia. Okay, we'll get started. I'll put this stop end on the end first. Just pull that plastic back out of the way. Oh, I got the wrong coloured rivets. I'll go and get some other rivets. Okay, I'll just take a measurement to see how long we want to make this. Alright, the exact measurement is 43.50, but we want to add on a little bit because our barge cappings that come down the side will be 10 mil off the fascia, so we want to come about 10 mil roughly past the end of the fascia miter on both ends. So if we make that 4.365, then that should be perfect. Okay. 4.365. I use my square so that the cut's nice and neat. Oh, I've lost my snips. Hold on. Okay. I'll just grab my other stop end. Okay. I'll put our downpipe down the other end. So I'll just measure how far that I want to make that. So you just got to decide where you want your downpipe down the wall here. I think I'll make that about 350 mm in from the end, and that'll make it come straight down the corner of the building there. Lost my pencil. There you go. Now my downpipe pop. Okay, we're going to go for the 90 mm round downpipe on this one. So that's the pop to suit that. Whoop. Sorry, mate. And you just want to cut a little bit wider than the mark. Because we marked the inside of that pop, you really want to cut, say, 3 mm wider than those marks so that the pop will actually fit in the hole. Check that that fits. A little bit tight. Just trim out a bit more from that. That's better. Flip that over. And the pop sits on the inside like that. Now usually I would use a whole heap of silicone on the inside here with the stop ends and around this pop, even between the pop and the gutter, but I'm not going to on this occasion because it's just a demonstration house, so as long as you do it on the job that you're doing, you'll be fine, but I don't need it on this situation. Okay, now we'll peel the plastic off. Alright, the next step's to put these spring clips on. We've already got these up. Usually I space them about 700 to 800 mil apart. So I'll push all those down. Now we'll push the gutter in. Alright, because we've got the downpipe down this end, we want to make the fall, obviously, make it the high point up that end down to the low point here where the pop is in the downpipe. So we'll put it on. We'll put that one on number 4, and I'll go all the way up to number 2 at that end. There we go, that's nice and high. Make sure it's in the right position. Looks pretty good there, I'll just check that end. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Once we got it in the right position, we just need to put a couple of rivets through the back of it to hold it in place. Sorry, our trusty sidekick Aiden couldn't be helping us with this episode. He's just a bit busy on the machine over there, him and Michael, so maybe in the next one he'll be able to help us out. He's around the corner there. And definitely one across the top of this downpipe here. Because sometimes when people put the downpipe on, they push the gutter up and it changes the fall. So you want to make sure that that's in the right position there and it's not going to move. Now we just need our overstraps, which are these. Usually I put one at each end and then between the 2 spring clips as well. Not sure if I've got enough though. Yep, I have. So one at the end here and one between the 2 spring clips. Just watch your step, there's a bit of timber behind you. There we go, that's basically it. So if you're going to be tackling a job like this with the gutter, just measure out what you need, but make it about 100 mil longer, so that when you get it to site, there's nothing worse than getting it on site and realising that it's slightly short. So make it a bit longer and you can always cut it back when you're installing it like I did there. I just took a little bit off the end. So you need your gutter, your stop ends, your downpipe pop, depending on what size you're going to go for downpipes, and your spring clips and your overstraps. Okay, thanks for watching.